guys, it's Faith. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because this video is a little bit different. A few videos ago, sometime last year maybe, I said I wanted to start a series on hair where I review products for other small businesses which I will be purchasing. So this video is in no way, shape or form sponsored. I paid for it. Yeah, it's just as a way of giving back to other small businesses and to grow a community. So if you all know any small business owners that are wanting to be out there a bit more and to spread their brand, just comment below so that I can have a check of their products. But I have got, I'm so excited to open it. I showed y'all guys this on my Instagram and I got people to vote what they thought was in here. To be fair, I haven't rechecked it, but so far when I did check, only one person had it correct and it was a guy. And if you're watching this, well done to you, because you, sir, are a genius for guessing what's in here. It might have just been luck, but anyways, well done, you guessed it correctly. So yeah guys, I'm gonna open this up. I don't know how I'm gonna film this video yet, but let's start with the unboxing. So I'm gonna unbox it, but before I do, make sure y'all click that subscribe button. Hello there, let me introduce myself. I'm Faith. If this is your first video, this is our first review slash unboxing of another small business's product. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the video and tuning in, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, here I've got the package for our small business review. I'm going to open it up. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute. So on it, it says, say hello to your new favourite, and it says thank you. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, let's open up this bad boy. So guys, this bag is from Jetomldn. I think I'm saying it correctly. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Oh. Oh yeah, look, that's the logo. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's the logo. And basically I found this brand on TikTok. Because it was the first brand, I didn't really have anybody that, I didn't know what business to buy from the start of this series. So yeah, this small business kept popping up on my TikTok For You page. And the business owner, Shauna, I think that's her name, Shauna, she seemed like she just had good energy about her. So I was like, you know what? You're gonna be the debut. Oh my gosh. I really should have bought scissors because I'm literally doing a mess. Oh my goodness, guys, like the packaging is just 10 out of 10. Like, look at it. Look. Can you see? So it's got like her branded tissue paper. Then you can see another sticker of her logo. And then it's just got this thank you card, which that's what it looks like. It says, this package is happy to see you to Jetomldn. And then at the back, oh, it's so cute. It's got all her social media and it's just like, it's nice colours, like it's just neutrals. It's quite cute. Guys, I'm so excited. So So before I check it out, so like I said, I put a poll up on my Instagram and I asked what is it y'all thought I was gonna buy. And yeah, it's a handbag, guys. So it's in a cute little dust bag. Guys, like, how cute is this? Like, look at it. It's got her logo on it. It's custom. Oh, we're more than just an accessory. We enhance your outfit. It says that at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see that. But guys, this is so cute. I just think the attention to detail is just spot on. And this is the bag. This is what it looks like. I don't know, I think the color is really bright. Like, if you know me, I just like dark stuff. I mean, I do wear colors, but I think I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but it's got a cute little what do you call these? It's got like a little silk scarf. I think this is for you to put around the handle. You fashionistas, yeah, don't be judging me if I'm doing this wrong, but I think this is where it's meant to go. Or if it's got a strap, like, yeah, it must have a strap because it's got these small parts here. There. But I think it's meant to go here. But if it's got a strap, I'll probably put it on the strap. I think I've seen this on her TikTok or her Instagram somewhere. Maybe it was on the website. But I think the main thing for this scarf is to go like this. Whoops. Anyways, let's get rid of that. Guys, like, I'm actually freezing. I just drank some water and I'm actually cold. Like, I'm shivering. It's got this little card, so it says her brand name there. Oh yeah, it has got a strap. So you can either just wear it, like hold it as a bag like that, like as a little purse, or you can have it with the clips on. This is cute. I mean, I don't know what I think about the colour. So guys, I'll put a little clip at the side. Wait, let me move over so there's space for the clip. On her website, so she had different colours. So there was black, green, this colour, and I think maybe brown. Does it say? Oh. Yes, let's see what it says. Let me tell y'all. So I got it in orange. But this is orange, like, I don't know, guys. What do y'all think? Maybe on camera it's actually coming up brighter than it actually is, because I'm looking at the camera and it's looking bright. But in person, it's more of a, yeah, it looks nicer in person, I'd say. It's more of a tan colour. I really think the camera's really giving orange. Like an actual orange. But in person, it's a tanned colour. But guys, let me tell you, on her website, the green, I think I might go back and get the green or black. And I've also seen it in white. So yeah, this bag was very inexpensive. It was not too expensive. I can't remember how much I paid for it. But yeah, it doesn't say it on here. And inside, it's just leather. The only thing I'd say about this bag is that it doesn't have any pockets inside, so it's just plain. Like, it's just plain. There's no pockets. That's the only downside, I'd say, because I love a pocket in a bag. I can just put any like little cards or any spare change, because I like going back. You know when you forget money in your bag and then you get that bag again and then you're just going out and then you're like, ooh, a £5 or ooh, £20. I like that feeling. I can't do that with this one. So that's the only downside, I'd say. But yeah, guys, this is the cami bag from Jetomldn. And yeah, it's It's a cute little number. I don't know, my handle's a bit wonky, but I can fix that. It just needs stretching a bit. The shipping probably took 2 to 3 days. I think, oh yeah, it probably took 3 days because I think it was still part of the holiday, so one day wasn't counted. So yeah, I think I ordered it on the 31st, then the first didn't count, and then I got it. Because the holiday was on the Monday, so let's say I got it on the Thursday. That was quite quick shipping, I think. It was second class shipping, and yeah, I think she's from London. So she's a UK based brand. She is on TikTok. I'll put her handles on this video somewhere. Like I said, guys, this video is not sponsored. I just bought this. I literally was just looking through TikTok and I saw her. She kept coming up on my For You page constantly, and I was like, she's got good energy. Like, I looked through her products and I saw the green bag and I was like, oh, let me get the green bag. But to be fair, I didn't really have much green things, and I wanted to get the black, but I've got too many black bags. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna try out another color. But in all honesty, I'll probably pick up another bag in another color because I don't know if this is too bright for me, but I am gonna try it out, and then when I go out, I will insert some clips. So guys, as you can see, this is her website. It looks quite cute and professional. That's the green cami bag that I said I wanted up there. And yeah, it looks quite nice. I just thought I'd show y'all some clips from her website, just because when I tried to put the clips of her Instagram and her TikTok on here, it didn't look nice as a picture-in-picture, so I just decided to do it like a full clip. So yeah, that's what it looks like. That's all her products. Some of them are sold out, but you can pre-order, which is quite good. And then basically this is a close-up of the bag that I purchased, which is quite sweet. Like, see, in her photos it doesn't look as bright as it does on my camera, so I'm just not sure if that's what was making it look a bit odd. Like super bright, not odd, but just super bright. But yeah guys, check out her store and yeah, purchase something because it's quite affordable. I would definitely recommend this business. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Also leave comments of what videos y'all would like to see in the future. So as always, stay safe guys, wherever you are, whatever your plans are. And yeah, until next time, bye.